I'm going to show you now how I weave the ends or hide the ends in a drawstring bag. That's looks quite difficult for beginners. Sometimes I get questions about this thing, but I really don't know the real right way. I'm just showing the way that I used for many years, and actually nothing happened. Sometimes I even have a very short tail, and it can scare the beginners. So normally I prefer to weave the ends always with a smaller size hook. You can use the same size, but with smaller is slightly easier. So I just chain one, pull the yarn, and I make a knot. So that one secures that even if your end will go out, nothing happens to your bag. And then normally I prefer or to hide here into this chain or into this vertical chain. So now I'm going to show you just randomly. You can hide in between this. Just put like this. Go. And hide randomly. So, and then normally I pull the yarn inside. So the tail stays inside. And hide. Even when I'm in the middle of the bag and I have to cut the yarn, to join the new yarn, sometimes I use this method to hide in between the double crochet. Normally it's a double crochet or a chain, depends on the pattern. So just hide for a few stitches. And even after washing in the washing machine with a normal program for cotton, it never destroyed the bag, never got any problem. So after you hide like that, actually you can cut the yarn. To be secure, you can even continue. And that's it. Your bag is done and you are sure that nothing happens. I don't recommend to use the glue, but if you prefer, I know some of crocheters, they like to glue the ends. So you can decide which way is better for you.